Yeah, that's it. So today we are going to show you how to prepare this beautiful food made with less flour. Okay, so what happened was I bought this bread. I bought it about 3 months ago, and I can tell you that till date the bread has not spoiled. The bread is still intact. That made me really scared, because it therefore means that bread is no longer bread. Breads are made with huge preservatives. There used to be an adage that once it's 10 o'clock, the seller of bread will know what it has done to himself. We know what he has done to himself. That means that by 10 o'clock, the bread is bad, because the next day we meet the bread. But let me tell you that 3 months is not even enough. I'm not sure that bread will ever spoil. That is why I have chosen to, to be more innovative on the kind of food we now eat. Instead of eating bread every day, I decided to put this one down. I hope that you found the video useful. I didn't talk, so I decided to do this voiceover. I hope that you will enjoy it. Thank you so much. Bye.